Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to insert comment and note in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Let's say we have a data over here that we are working on together with a friend or a coworker, and we noticed some changes or unusual values that are present within our data. Let's say this value is pretty unreasonable as it is too low. I'd like my coworker to know that I have a comment regarding this value. All I have to do is go to the Review tab and enter New Comment by clicking on the New Comment button under the Comments group. I'll start a conversation by saying this value is too low. Please verify. Once I'm done, I'll just click this button over here. And now there is a thread that has started within our spreadsheet. Now, any user that would aim towards this cell would see the comment right away. Now they can reply to this thread in order to verify whether this value is true or not. Let's say our coworker replied, "This is accurate." Let's post, and there we go. Now, from our thread, a reply is indented to the right to signify that it is a reply to the main thread over here. Now, we can either delete comments or we can mark the thread as resolved. And there we go. Now, there will be a history that a change or a certain value is verified by showing the resolved status of a certain thread. Now, for the notes, let's say I'd like to get my interns to get the total of all of the values within our data. I'll just leave a note over here by clicking on the note under the Notes group and clicking on the New Note button. Now, my name should be over here while I do the notes themselves. Let's say I'll want to leave a note that says, "This should have a total for all of the values." And once we're done, we can just show all the comments and it'll show on the right side of our screen, and click on Show All Notes and everything that we inputted will be shown all at once. And there we have it. This is how we insert comment and notes in Microsoft Excel.